Hello and welcome to today's session. This session focuses on learning outcome for LO4. Understand the legal procedures relating to company liquidation. In this video, we will explore what happens when a company faces liquidation. You will learn about the legal procedures involved in the winding up process and the roles of auditors, liquidators, insolvency practitioners, and shareholders in managing and overseeing this process. Auditors provide an expert review of financial reports. Their role ensures accountability and accuracy of financial statements. They offer an independent opinion on the financial health of an association. Auditors are legally liable for their professional assessments. Ignoring their reports can pose risks to the organization. Organizations must clarify any uncertainties in auditor reports. Misunderstandings can arise from poor financial statement preparation. Weak cash controls or dishonesty may also be factors. Legal advice should be sought if dishonesty is suspected. Immediate actions may include freezing accounts or contacting authorities. Liquidators are appointed to manage a company's winding up. They are chosen by courts, shareholders, and creditors. Their main task is to distribute company assets fairly. Liquidators take control of business operations. If creditors disagree, a new liquidator may be appointed. A general meeting appoints the company liquidator. Liquidator fees are decided at this meeting. The liquidation committee must meet within 6 weeks. Court sanctions allow liquidators to initiate or defend legal proceedings. They may also continue company operations if necessary. Liquidators can sell company property publicly or privately. They collect funds to secure company assets. Legal professionals may assist them. Liquidators negotiate debt settlements. They can also protect the company from creditors. Liquidators review company records without court approval. They cannot pay company debts during this review. They perform necessary acts for company utilization. Liquidators may endorse bills of exchange. They can also appoint agents for tasks they cannot perform. Liquidators receive dividends in bankruptcy cases. They claim balances against company assets. Actions are performed in the liquidator's official name. They may issue letters of administration. These steps ensure proper payment from contributories. Creditors have a specific order of priority during liquidation. Secured creditors are often paid first. Unsecured creditors follow in the hierarchy. Employee wages and pensions may have priority. Understanding this order is crucial for fair distribution. Insolvency practitioners aim to save firms from liquidation. They maximize returns by selling assets if necessary. They assess company operations for potential turnaround. Asset sales can provide financial relief. Practitioners negotiate longer payment terms with creditors. Practitioners negotiate with HMRC and other creditors. Their expertise inspires trust among banks. They sell company assets to generate cash. Funds are distributed to creditors as per legislation. Practitioners prepare creditor claims and report on director conduct. Practitioners take on various roles based on the case. In limited companies, they may act as liquidators. They ensure proper asset distribution to creditors. In solvent liquidations, directors and shareholders receive returns. In insolvent cases, creditors like suppliers and banks are prioritized. Conclusion: understanding the roles of auditors, liquidators, and insolvency practitioners is essential for maintaining transparency and accountability in corporate operations. These professionals ensure the fair distribution of assets and uphold legal and ethical standards during liquidation processes. Acquiring this knowledge enhances one's ability to navigate the complexities of insolvency effectively and make informed decisions in financial and corporate contexts. Should you need any assistance, please send a WhatsApp message to 0748-436-1688. We're happy to help. Thanks for your participation and see you next time.